Hey, what's going on, my friend Garrett here, coming at you from a beautiful pool and a resort in Puerto Rico. Now, I'm not sharing this to impress you, but to impress upon you that if you follow what I'm going to share with you in this video, there's no reason why you can't start to generate income online to live the same type of lifestyle. So what I want to do inside this video is I want to hop on my laptop and I want to break down the exact simple formula you can use to start to generate literally up to $2,000 a day. It's not too good to be true. We have people from around the world, many people brand new, that have just been able to plug in with this copy-paste system, have been able to generate some absolutely incredible results. So follow me inside. I'm gonna hop on my laptop and let's go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so I'm inside right now. What I wanna do is share with you the 3 incredibly easy steps to make $2,000 a day online. Now, I'm gonna break down these steps very, very simply, but what I wanna share with you is that if you actually wanna skip over this overview video and you wanna start setting these 3 steps up, you can go down to the first link. You'll get taken to this page. You just want to answer these simple questions here. Okay, what are your income goals? And then eventually you will put in your best email here. And then you'll get sent the full steps to start to set up what I'm about to share with you. But what I want to share is first off some results, okay? Because you may be wondering, am I actually someone to listen to? You can see on the screen right here, these are screenshots of my Stripe account. Berry Lifestyle Marketing is my account. And you can see that multiple different days I've been able to generate $2,000 or more, with my best day being $5,500, okay? Now you may also be asking yourself, this is great, but is this working for other members, other people that are actually applying these 3 simple steps? Well, I just want to share very quickly some results of other people. Okay, so you can see right here, this woman here, another $2,000 rolled in. Okay, so she was able to make $2,000. Sean right here, another 2K in the morning while having breakfast with family. Okay, and I'll just share a few more right here. This person actually was able to generate $4,000 just using what I'm going to share with you. And this person right here, it's raining 2K, basically was able to generate $2,000. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you works, and I want to dive into the very first step. Okay, the very first step is to set up your done for you system. Now there's going to be another link directly below, and eventually that's going to take you to this page here. Okay, now we need to actually set up and access the system that's going to do all the work for us so we can earn $2,000 or more per day. Now, all you have to do, you can watch this overview video or you can just click this button, okay, and you want to start the process. Now, you want to enter your first name, last name, and sign up. Now, this is just $49 to get started, okay? So once you pay that $49, you're going to get taken to this page here. Now, this is where the magic is going to happen. Now, this is the multiple income funnel, and this is your back office, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to start to follow these simple steps, because this is going to set up our system, this copy paste done for you system, and this is going to allow us to generate these commissions even while we're relaxing at the pool or hanging out with our family. Okay, so the first step is to join the Facebook group. You'll just find the link right here. I've already done that. And then step 2 is we need to set up the different income streams, okay, because this system has multiple different income streams that we can earn commissions with. So you're never putting all your eggs in one basket. You're able to earn in many different ways. Now, this is step 2, okay, of this very simple 3-step method. Now, step 2 is we need to upgrade in the different income streams, okay? So if I go back here, the first income stream, it's already completed. Okay, when you pay that $49, you've already unlocked income stream number 1. Now, income stream number 2 is Easy One Up. Okay, this is actually a different company. Now, you can watch these videos here, and the creator of the system is going to actually break down more information. But what you would have is a button on this page right here. Now, when you click that button, it's going to take you to sign up. Okay, now Easy One Up is basically a different company that has training products on how to build a successful online business, and they have many different levels. Okay, now the most popular level by far to join at is the Vertex Live. Okay, it's $2,000. And what this gives you access to is all the other levels under it as well. Okay, so once you go to sign up, you'll either get taken here directly or you can click join now at the top right and you'll get taken to this sign up form. Okay, now all you want to do is you just want to create a username. You want to put in an email, first name, etc. Okay, and then you want to start now. Now, when you actually sign up with this specific income stream, in your back office, you'll get taken to this page, okay? Now, what you wanna do is you wanna choose a level, okay? You wanna choose a level to join at. Now, the levels range from a $25 investment with a $5 admin fee, all the way up to a $2,000 payment with a $500 admin fee. Now, all these are one time, but again, if you want to earn the most, the way that I've been earning these $2,000 commissions and the way that all those other people in the beginning of the video is they've joined the Vertex Live. Okay, the Vertex Live, again, is the most popular and it sets you up to earn at all the other levels. And once you actually join that, you'll get taken to your back office. Okay, now you may be asking, is it worth investing into? Well, you can see that the total earn that I've been able to generate is $191,750 just using this three-step formula that I'm sharing with you in this video. So it's absolutely worth investing into. Okay, now some people ask, what do they get access to when they invest? Well, not only do you become an affiliate, okay, so you can promote your links and start to make money, but you also can go to products here, okay, and you get access to all this different training. These are high-level video training. Now, before I continue, if you hear any noise such as drilling and things, I have a neighbor that's right next door that's actually a little bit loud right now, so just try to block that out as I continue. But then once you do that, okay, you want to go back here, and now you want to put in your username information, okay? Now, this is going to walk you through how to do this very easily, but you'd put your username and you'd save this. So now as you promote this same system and people go through your system and your link, when they go to buy, you're going to actually earn commissions, okay? Now, income stream number 3 is TechSpot. TechSpot is optional, okay, but it's very, very powerful. It's a $100 investment one time to actually join. And you can see in my dashboard, okay, I've also already been able to generate $7,800 total sales, okay? So is this worth it? Again, you can see that the results show that it is, right? And then finally, income stream number 4. Now, income stream number 4 is Traffic Authority. Okay, Traffic Authority is basically a platform where you can purchase traffic. You would just click this link here. You'd sign up as a reseller, okay? Now, you can see right here that total paid, okay, in Traffic Authority in this one income stream, just using this simple method, I've been able to generate $17,177. So again, this is very, very powerful. And these payments are still pending, right? So as you set up your system and you get traffic, which I'll share in a little bit in this video, you're going to be able to set yourself up to get paid multiple different ways. Now, you can also go to step 3. Okay, this is setting up your e-wallet. So multiple income funnel, that income stream, and then Traffic Authority is going to pay you your commissions through an online e-wallet. You can just go to set up your e-wallet, follow the simple steps. And then step 4 is the back office tour. Okay, so you can actually watch this video. It's going to give you a more tour of the back office. And then you click this button, start promoting. And now you can start getting traffic to your link. So if I go back here, once you've set up your done for you system, you've upgraded the different streams. Now, all you have to do is send clicks to your link and earn commissions fast, okay? So how do we do this? Well, if I go back to the dashboard, you wanna go to the top tab under links, and what you can do is you can actually get one of your capture pages. Now, there's 3 main capture pages, and according to our team group, the capture page that's working the best, that's converting the best currently is the lead capture page 3. So what I can do is I can actually open this up. And what we want to focus on now that our system is set up and our streams are upgraded, now we want to get as many people to this page as possible, because the more people that we send to this page, the more people that will go through the process and they'll buy, and you'll be able to earn these autopilot commissions up to $2,000 a day. So now how do we get people to this page? Well, there's a couple ways, okay? So if I copy that link at the top, now I have my link to promote. Now what you can do is you can go back to this page here, and first off, you can go to the very top and you can click traffic, okay? This is gonna take you to Traffic Authority, and they have tons of packages of traffic you can actually purchase clicks from. So the basic package, okay, is $220, and you'll get 170 to 190 clicks. Okay, the delivery is about 7 to 14 days. Or if you want to be more aggressive, you can actually go all the way up to even the platinum package, which is $2,197. So if you choose one, you go to other website and you just paste in, okay, your capture page. And then you would just fill out, you'd add a debit or credit card and you'd go to place order, okay? Now, if you're watching this, maybe after you've upgraded the different income streams, you don't have a lot of money for paid traffic, not to worry, okay? You can actually go here. You can go to the resources tab here, and they have tons of training, okay? If I log back in here, they have tons of training at the top for free traffic, okay? So I can go here. I can go to the weekly training calls. I can also go to success training, and they have video training on different free traffic methods, okay? traffic training. So there's tons of ways to get traffic to your link. Now, the last thing I want to cover though, if you're watching this video and you want to access my top bonuses to literally force you to make money with this, here's how you do it, okay? So all you have to do is, if you join, okay, me an easy one-up in the Vertex Pro, which is $1,000, okay, or the Vertex Live, which is $2,000, okay, one of these levels, you're gonna qualify for these bonuses, okay? Now, all you would have to do after you join is just message me at support@prosperwithgarrett.com, okay, and you'd access these. You just have to send me your easy one-up username that you join with. Now, here's the bonuses, okay? The main bonuses are going to be, number one, access to my full social media mastery training course, okay? This is hundreds of dollars worth of value, my top strategies in Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, free marketing strategies. You're going to be able to access this bonus, create a free account in my membership site, and go through to get massive traffic to your link. You're also going to be able to access my best copy paste ads. A lot of people don't know how to promote online. They don't have ads. You can literally swipe and deploy my best working ads that I've used over the last 5 years to get endless free traffic, okay? And then high ticket sales secrets. So this is an ebook that shares with you how to convert people that you're getting traffic from into high ticket sales so you can make those $2,000 commissions every single day, okay? So I hope you got value in this video. This is the fastest way to make $2,000 a day. There's going to be all the links you need in the description below. Go down below, follow those links. If you have any questions, by the way, though, if I didn't cover everything, comment under this video if you're watching on YouTube. I'll be sure to reply back. And until then, my friend, I hope you got value, and I will see you on my next video.